Learning English faster is like opening a door to a whole new world. Imagine traveling anywhere, making friends from different countries, or even watching your favorite movies without subtitles. Doesn't that sound amazing? Well, today we are going to talk about the best tips to help you learn English faster than ever before. These are not just tips, they are strategies that work. I've tried them, my friends have tried them, and they've changed the way we think about learning English. Let's start with something simple: setting a goal. When I first started learning a new language, I didn't know what to do or where to begin. I thought I'd just study randomly, but that didn't work. Then I set a goal. I said to myself, I want to be able to have a conversation in English in 3 months. And guess what? That goal pushed me to try harder. If you don't have a goal, you don't have a direction. Your goal can be small, like learning 10 new words every day or watching one English video without subtitles. It doesn't matter how small it is. What matters is that you start. Next, let's talk about listening. Listening is one of the most powerful tools for learning English. When I started, I would listen to English songs all the time. At first, I didn't understand a word, but I didn't give up. I played those songs again and again. Slowly, I started catching small words and phrases. Listening helps your brain get used to the sound of a language. It's like how babies learn. They listen first. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, or even movies. Just keep your ears open to English every day. Speaking is another key. I know speaking can be scary. When I first tried speaking English, I was so nervous. I thought, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? But let me tell you, making mistakes is okay. In fact, it's necessary. Mistakes help you learn. I started by talking to myself. Yes, I know it sounds funny, but it works. I would describe what I was doing. I am eating breakfast. I am reading a book. Then, I found a language partner online. We practiced together, and my confidence grew. Don't wait until you're perfect to start speaking. Speak now, and you'll improve faster. Reading is like fuel for your English brain. It gives you new words, better grammar, and lots of ideas. When I started reading in English, I chose easy books, like children's stories. They were short, simple, and fun. As I got better, I moved to magazines and online articles. Don't force yourself to read something boring. Find topics you love. If you like sports, read about sports. If you love cooking, find English recipes. Reading should be enjoyable, not a chore. Now, let's talk about writing. Writing is a fantastic way to practice what you've learned. When I was learning English, I kept a journal. Every day, I wrote a few sentences about my day. It didn't matter if my grammar wasn't perfect. What mattered was that I was using English. You can also write comments on social media, send texts to friends, or even write short stories. Writing helps you remember words and improve your sentence structure. One of my favorite tips is to surround yourself with English. Change the language on your phone to English. Watch TV shows and movies in English. Follow English-speaking influencers on social media. When you make English a part of your daily life, it becomes natural. I remember changing my phone's language settings to English. At first, it was confusing, but soon, I learned so many new words just from looking at my phone. Another great tip is to use flashcards. Flashcards are amazing for learning vocabulary. I made my own flashcards with new words and their meanings. Whenever I had free time, I would go through them. You can use apps like Anki or Quizlet to make digital flashcards. Review them every day, and soon, those words will stick in your memory. Grammar can feel hard, but you don't have to be perfect at it. Focus on basic grammar rules first. For example, learn how to form simple sentences. I eat. You run. She dances. Start small and build up. When I was learning, I didn't focus too much on grammar at the beginning. I just wanted to communicate. Once I was comfortable, I started learning grammar rules slowly. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The goal is to be understood, not to be perfect. Practice is the secret to learning English faster. If you practice every day, even for a few minutes, you will see results. I made a schedule for myself. Every morning, I listened to a podcast. In the afternoon, I read a short article. At night, I practiced speaking. This daily routine helped me improve so much. You don't need hours and hours. Just a little practice every day can make a big difference. Let me tell you about the power of positivity. When you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything. When I felt frustrated, I reminded myself why I was learning English. I wanted to travel, make new friends, and watch movies without subtitles. These reasons kept me motivated. Find your why. Why do you want to learn English? Write it down and look at it every day. It will inspire you to keep going. Learning English doesn't have to be lonely. Join a group or community where you can practice together. I joined an English learning group online, and it was amazing. We shared tips, helped each other, and practiced speaking together. You can find similar groups on social media or apps. Learning with others is more fun and keeps you motivated. Remember to reward yourself. When you achieve a goal, celebrate it. For example, if you learn 100 new words, treat yourself to something you love. Rewards make learning exciting. I used to buy myself a small gift whenever I reached a milestone. It made me look forward to learning. Finally, be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. You won't become fluent overnight, and that's okay. Enjoy the journey. Celebrate small victories. When I could finally order food at a restaurant in English, I felt so proud. Those little moments make all the effort worth it. As we come to the end, I want to remind you that learning English is not just about speaking or understanding. It's about connecting with the world, opening new opportunities, and growing as a person. Don't give up, even when it feels hard. Remember, every word you learn, every sentence you write, brings you closer to fluency. If you found these tips helpful, I'd love for you to join our journey. Subscribe to our channel, English Universe, for more amazing content like this. Together, we can achieve English fluency and make learning a fun and exciting adventure. Let's do this, one step at a time.